Hello, today I'm going to be reading for you The Gift of Nothing, written by Patrick McDonnell. It was a special day, and Moosh wants to give his best friend Earl a gift. But what do you get someone who has everything? Join Moosh as he searches high and low for the gift of nothing. It was a special day, and Moosh wanted to give his best friend Earl a gift. But what to get him? He had a bowl. He had a bed. He had a shoey toy. He had it all. Moosh thought and thought. What do you get someone who has everything? Look at Mooch. Nothing. He would give Earl the gift of nothing. But in this world filled with so many somethings, where could he find nothing? Moosh often heard Frank say there was nothing on TV. But as far as Moosh could tell, there was always something on TV. Moosh often heard Doozy and her friends say there was nothing to do. But as far as Moosh could tell, everybody was always doing something. Mealy came home from the store and said there was nothing to buy. So Moosh went shopping. Look at Moosh. Moosh looked up. Moosh looked down. Every aisle. He found many somethings. The latest this, the newest that. But as far as he could tell, nothing was not for sale. So Moosh went home. And sat on his pillow and just stayed still, as cats often do. And not looking for it, he found nothing. So he went and got a box and put nothing in it. Then Moosh thought, maybe Earl deserves more than this. So he got a bigger box. Now that's plenty of nothing. For me, said Earl. Moosh, you didn't have to give me anything. Who told him? Thought Mooch. Earl opened Moosh's gift. Look at Earl. This is Mooch. There's nothing here, said Earl. Yes, said Mooch. Nothing. But me and you. So Moosh and Earl just stayed still and enjoyed nothing and everything. The end.